Hi friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and as you can see from the title of the video, we are doing an unboxing today of Bella Notte. Bella Notte is the scene, that's what it is, it's the scene in Lady and the Tramp, with the two of them sitting at the table with the bowl of spaghetti, chomping, grabbing that one piece, having a little smooch. Classic. It's an absolute classic scene in that film. I love Disney films, and I love the old Disney films. The Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, Lady and the Tramp, all of that stuff. I grew up with that. I think a lot of people that are around my age did, right? 40s. Anyway, I just absolutely love it. And I think that this is going to be a lot of fun to be able to do with this. Well, we'll go ahead and look at the box and everything here in just a second. Before we get into that, don't forget to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload videos. And then don't forget to like the video and then leave a comment down below. Have you done this one yet, or are you excited to do this one with me? Let me know. All right, so here we have our beautiful box when it comes to this diamond art piece. So Bella Notte, it is 23 by 17. And let's take a look at the overall box and everything. Gorgeous. So we can kind of see where the picture is and everything and how that's going to be. And then on the side here, we have the list of our colors. We have a total of 57 colors. Let's go ahead and get this to focus here. So we've got 57. Come on now, let's focus in on what we need. Camera's not wanting to cooperate today. So 57 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis and then 4 fairy dust diamonds, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I love that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to go ahead and open this up. And this is square drills. I've not done square drills before, but I'm excited to go ahead and try it. Now, this one, instead of opening up on one of the ends, opens up on the side. And just like with all diamond kits, this does come with your twist and pick pen, the stackable tray, the inventory sheet, the reusable bags, all the normal stuff that all the other kits come with. So as we go through to open this up, I will say I've already taken the kit and the card and everything out of here. So we're just going to go ahead and take the canvas out. We'll set the box off to the side. Now I do have the thank you card here. And then in this, we have our trading card, which has a code on the back for you to use. Now we do have a silver card, which fantastic. Love that we have a silver one available. And then here's just the tips, tricks, and instructions and stuff like that it gives you. 20% off coupon, all that kind of stuff. And then here we have the picture. And then here we have all of our colors. Now, I will say that with this, so working with a couple of paintings already, I've already had to deal with the these 2 fairy dust colors before, which is fantastic, but those are rounds. These are squares. And I'm not yet dealt with squares, and I'm kind of excited to do so. A lot of what I've seen and what I'm going to be doing is going to have squares in it. So that collection is going to get built up really, really nicely. I think the good thing about the squares is that it gives a little bit more detail with it. And from what I've seen with the rounds tend to not fill, like they don't cover the symbol as well for some reason. I'm gonna slide the drills out here first. So we've got, here are the drills. It's a nice color palette. In the picture itself, there is definitely some color blocking that we will be able to work with, but this is really nice. I love this 939 color. It's a really deep blue. It's almost black, but it's a really, really nice deep blue. Let's set that over there. Now, this is also a very large canvas compared to what I've done so far already. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I don't think I'm going to be able to fit the whole thing into the screen. I can fit most of it, but this is a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But what we can see though is I actually can fit most of it here on the screen here, which is really cool. There's some major color blocking over here, so all of that is the same color. All of this down here is the same color. We've got same color here and here, all throughout here. His whole chest is one color. This is a color. That's a color. So there are a lot of color blocking opportunities that are available with this canvas. Let me scooch this up a little bit here. There is some color blocking here, over here, definitely some down here. So this is great. This is really, really nice. This shouldn't take too long really to do. Of course, I'm sure some of you are looking at me and probably going, what are you talking about? This is big. This is going to take you forever. I've learned that as long as you do the color blocking, it's really not that bad. We can see that we have our perforated lines on here. So let's get this a little bit closer. Let's see if we can show this a little bit better. So we have these perforated lines that are right here. So that'll allow you to tear this square off. From my understanding and from what I can see is that this is a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square in order to pull off of here. So we will be able to block this out really well. It does look like the spaghetti is probably going to be one of the hardest things to do. So the spaghetti, if I can get this up here, which I need to roll this the opposite way here, and then we're going to need to probably undo the sticker sheet as well so that we can get this a little bit more flat. So we've got a big crease coming down here in the middle. So typically what I like to do is I like to pull this back, kind of let that get itself smoothed out, and then just kind of push this back down. Get it nice and smooth. There we go. And then we'll do the same thing over here on this side. We'll pull this from here. What's interesting is that the cuts of the, what is this? Of the plastic are actually showing indented into the glue itself, which is interesting. But we should be able to get this to be a nice, smooth canvas now, just like that. Now, my fear to this is always I am going to accidentally, like, have a bubble or a spot, and then it's going to dry out, which I'm scared of. However, I don't think we'll have to worry about that here. Go ahead and get my light to shine a little differently here so we're not blocking the image. I have a problem with overhead lighting. I do. It is what it is. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's go ahead and I'm going to turn this around so we can see the spaghetti a little bit better. So we can kind of see, if I can get my camera to focus. My camera does not want to work with me today. It just doesn't. Okay, I have switched cameras. And there's what we're going to look at. So we're going to look at the spaghetti. So looking at the image as a whole, okay, we have, I think this is gorgeous. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how this turns out. This is the one that I was talking about on the other video when I got the Diamond Art storage. This is the one that I want to do when it comes to that storage kit. I think it's got the right amount of colors. Actually, it has more colors than what we have for the kit, but that's okay. But here we have Okay, which of course my circle lights give me a little bit of a glare, but that's okay. So in the spaghetti, we can see that we've got a lot of confetti is what I'm going to call it. You know, we've got a lot of color changes that are going to happen throughout here. Thing is, though, is that I don't think this is going to be too terribly bad. So we've got a square here to about here. So that'll give a good chunk. And then we've got his chest that'll be in that one. So that'll be really easy to do. Another here. And then when we look at, this is going to be fairly simple down here. This will work. This will work. So let's take a look at our card that we have. So looking at this, okay, so we have, it said 1 AB and then 4 fairy dust diamonds. So the AB is the equals, and this is the newer one that has the AB right in front of the number. So we have AB 3078. So if we look for the equals on the canvas, a lot of that's in the spaghetti. So we can see that's where our ABs are going to go. And then the fairy dust is going to be the blue W, so Z15. That is primarily right here in Lady's collar, so that's going to be pretty. And then Z666, ooh, interesting, with that arrow symbol. Okay, so that's going to be in here. So that's going to be all in the red lines of the tablecloth. So we can see how that's going to be all throughout down here. That is nothing but all of that red tablecloth lines. That is what that Z is going to be. And then, oh my gosh, I just realized this Z3856, that's all Lady. That is Lady's chest, Lady's face. Look at that. All of that is fairy dust. That is crazy. And then there's even more fairy dust in the spaghetti. We've got all of that in there, going up this way into Tramp. Wow. And then, of course, this one here, which I have seen in others that are with rounds. So that seems to be a pretty common one, pretty common symbol and everything. There's more in the spaghetti there. There's a lot in the spaghetti. There's fairy dust all over this thing. It's everywhere. I wonder if there's any over here. I'm not really seeing any. Trying to make my camera as steady as possible here, but it's kind of hard to do with holding an iPhone. But still, that's what we have. This actually does fit on my desk. I'm kind of surprised. And this is a small area that I have here to work with. But let me know in the comments below. Have you done this one? Can you share a picture? I don't know if you can share a picture in here or not. But let me know in the comments below if you've done this one. I'm excited to do this, and I think we may end up doing like a whip and chat with this, like once a week, giving some progress, doing something with it. Because like I said, I'm not entirely sure how long this is going to take. I don't think it's going to take long, though. Okay, so I forgot to have us look at the drills. So we're going to look at that. This will be obviously cut into the video and everything, but yeah, let's go ahead and make sure that we cover this. So looking at the drills, so 38, 61, and then 842. Those came a little bit separately. Everything else is pretty much intact here. Here we go. I don't want to mess it up too much, but they do put these together by weight and everything, and I really just kind of want to look for our specialty drills, but since we have so many of them, those are probably going to be... So here's 823, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue color. And then 823 looks like it's going to be... Well, I guess I could just look at the symbol on the side here. It's this symbol right here. So that one. So that looks like... It's really going to be a lot of this background area. And then, okay, we do have some 310, 379, 336. I mean, just all of these are... Okay, so here's our Z3856. So this is the... what is that? That circle with the cross through it, right? So that's what this one's going to be. So that one's really nice. The square ones don't look as intimidating as what I thought they were going to. Get this a little bit closer here. I don't know where that shadow is being cast from, but it's getting on my nerves. It really is. Could be what the holder is for the camera, but here's that Z666. That is a gorgeous red. Look at that red. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. That is incredible. Okay, there we go. Wow. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. That's going to look really good. And that is what goes... Is that the... That's this. Hold on. Nah. I ain't doing this. That's the tablecloth. That's the tablecloth. That's where that's going to be. And then there's the Z3865, which is what we already talked about down here. That white. And then what's the other one? Z517. Where is that one at? I mean, just all of these are just absolutely gorgeous. At 3042. Go ahead and go over here. Ooh, I like that color. 498. 824. And I love that they go based off of the DMC numbers, because as a cross-stitcher, that's something that I really like. Ah, here it is. Here it is. Here's the Z517. So that has got a lot of sparkle to it as well. Wow. There you go. Wow. Okay. And that's going to be lady's collar that we talked about. And then that's also going to be, it looks like there's some up here as well. All of that and this up here too. So all of that is going to be fairy dust too. Nice. Very nice. Of course, now I have to figure out how to put this back in the bag. And there we have it. So I'm really excited to get this one started. I wasn't sure if I really was going to get this one out and do this video, but after doing it, I'm glad I did. And this is also going to be my first square one that I've ever done too. So we'll see how that goes. But questions, comments, concerns, put in the comment section down below. Let me know what you're working on right now. What is on your current to-do list to be able to get done? I know a lot of people are working through drills and chills, which it's September 5th at the recording of this video, 2025. And I know that just recently started. I could have started on that myself, but I have too many other things going on right now to where I don't have the time to be able to put into that. Now, next year, though, probably going to participate. Yeah, we're going to participate. I just need to make sure that I plan things out accordingly. I did not know that that was a thing, so we'll do it next year. That's all I have for you guys today. As always, light a candle, grab a coffee, and keep on crafting.